All right, guys, clean professionals here. As you know, I'm out on the cleaning here today. And you might say, you know, why is it always that we only see you in your videos? Well, I do one carpet cleaning a day. And I like to make sure my videos are filmed the way I like to. Also, we're using some meta glasses. And they are pretty expensive, so I don't want anybody to break them. All right, so as I'm doing, I'm using my piece cleaner today, obviously, okay? That's all we use. We're using a Hawk Air pad. And on this particular job, we're using an Oric Orbiter, okay? Normally we use the big 175, 150 pounds. This carpet, we have a discolored area right here, as you can see, and right here on the side as well. So we're going to definitely hit and treat this here with the Oric Orbiter. We mixed the solution a little bit stronger than normal. We also added a deodorizer in there because I believe there is a pet. This is one of our routine customers. I did our black light inspection on the carpet for look for any stains that you can't see with the natural eye. Matter of fact, I'm gonna pause it so I can show you what I've seen with the I got my handy dandy backpack here, and I got my light. Oh, I didn't know it flashed. So we got the light here, and as you can see, I remember over here, where's that area? There's a spot over here. Well, there was a spot over here that was popping up. Can't really see it. Is it closer? There it is. So it's right there. I don't know why you can't really see it. I seen it earlier. See right down there, it's popping. All right, little spots, a little here. Everything else on the floor looks great. And this is not your average black light. This is a industrial black light made specifically for commercial. Some it's not your one you see on Amazon. Okay, as you can see, the windows and shades are open. Now imagine you come inside the house, you and a single mom, or not single mom, but you and a lady, and you're like, I gotta close the blinds. Or so those carpet guys, like, I gotta close the blinds so I can, you know, show the black light. All right, it's a little weird, okay? So that's why we use an industrial one here. I'll put on where you can get this one here in the description, so that way you can do it. But we're doing a pre-inspection, all right, looking over everything, okay? So like I said, we're doing a piece cleaner here. That's what I did earlier. My handy dandy backpack, like Dora the Explorer. And I'm gonna get the spraying. The sprayer is about 100 PSI. Oh, here we go. There she goes. So we're gonna get rid of this discoloration right here. This is the high traffic area. They said the bed was right here, which you can definitely tell. See the discoloration here on the right. All right, compared to where the bed was at. Like I said, they're gonna turn this into an Airbnb, which is cool. We're in the Midtown area in Harrisburg, PA. If you're familiar with Midtown, I love this place here in Harrisburg. It's a very artsy, hipster type of place. Kind of reminds me of a Brooklyn, New York, all right, without all the foot traffic. We got a lot of coffee shops, some record spots. There's a lot of like fun little places here in Midtown Harrisburg. This is the artsy part of town, right? Reminds me of Brooklyn a little bit. Brooklyn, Brooklyn, we go hard, we go hard. All right, so. If there's anything you'd like to see in our comments, please put down. Anything you want us to get clean, we'll try to cater to you because you are our viewers. We enjoy our viewers, right? So, smart idea to Airbnb this thing out. It's a great idea. All right, check it out. I'm really putting it down on here. Reason being is because I want to make sure it's a humid, so it's definitely hot. I'm sweating, but I want to make sure it's going to be able to work. I want to work this whole area. All right, and as you can see, I'm using our Oric Orbiter. She's doing a great job. See, it's turning. We're getting that turn missing on there. All right, rubbing it on there. But I really want to get stiff. All right, I'm getting the vibration and spinning on there. It's the same as a 175. Just a smaller engine. 175 means it's doing 175 rotations in under 1 hour. So I'm raising it up here to get those rotations on there. Look at that. See, it's still wet. I'm okay with that. Alright, so we're getting ready to finish up in here. As you can see, I'm just going back and forth with our orbiter, getting those dark stains out, and it's looking great. Alright, let's see the end result when we're in here. And people are like, you're not using any hoses. And the reason why, that's an old school thing, right? Just like technology advances. You know, we had the Nokia phones growing up where I was at. We were playing Snake. We had the Razor. We had the Sidekick. Then the iPhone came out with only one button. We got the BlackBerry. All right. So that's what we're doing here. Try to get close to the edge as I can. I think I'm gonna get this with our rag. There's still the piece cleaner. There was like some stuff along the edges, so very simple. Take my rag. See, it got all up. See the discoloration on there? Very light. Alright, so we're good. I'm gonna come back in here. And we're gonna go ahead and see that. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get our vacuum. Get this thing all vacuumed up. Look, I see it's blending now. Looks good. Alright. Sweet. I'm actually gonna hit that little area just because I'm a perfectionist. Taking a picture with a gram. Alright, so I'm getting to the final step here. We're going to do a thorough vacuum on the carpets here. We're going to have to tell our customer to put the heat or the AC on 68. That's going to help the humidity here. Check that out. put a new bag in here. I don't know why this thing has a little set in it. Like I'm pulling up cat hair or something for somebody else. Got lines in here. You like them sharp bait, ooh ha ha. You like long lines, you like big lines, you like short lines. How many lines you like doing? Do them blurred lines, like Robin Thicke. Or Michael Blue Blade, maybe you like Michael Blue Blade. Guys, we are all finished here. Check that out. Looks beautiful, right? We are all there and beautiful. Looks great.